Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Inventions mostly change the world for good by filling up gaps between our expectations and the available products. Since time unclocked, curiosity-driven humans have invented innumerable objects that have not only helped the humankind at the moment, but also inspired many other inventions, and the trend has been ever growing. So, in today's video, we will show you some of the greatest inventions of 20th century. Without further ado, let's begin. Starkey Livio AI Advanced Hearing Aids. For those looking for smart hearing aids, Starkey Livio AI can turn out to be a boon. The hearing aids sport compact design and fit comfortably in the ear. They connect via Bluetooth to any accessory and certain smartphones. But the highlight of these hearing aids is the artificial intelligence that plays a vital role in enhancing the hearing ability. By suppressing background noises, they deliver clear sound quality. Moreover, they come with long battery life so that users can wear them for long without needing to charge them too frequently. Valve Index. Valve Index is the way to go for players who are serious about VR gaming. Although it is not self-contained and requires a room setup with cables, it is the best VR experience you can get right now. With its dual 1440 by 1600 LCDs with up to 144 Hz frame rate, stereo 960 by 960 global shutter cameras, dual microphone array, the Valve Index has a lot going for it. However, Valve's pricing for this product, $999, might not be appealing to everyone. Flight Levitating Light Bulb. Designed in Sweden, Flight is a unique levitating light bulb. What makes it a one-of-a-kind product is the ability to hover by magnetic levitation and is powered through the air. Another notable thing about this levitating light bulb is the build quality. Made of oak, ash, and walnut, it's quite durable. In terms of energy efficiency, Flight uses highly efficient LEDs that are rated at around 50,000 hours, which translates into 12 hours of usage a day for a long 11 years. Water Walker and SP. Whether you are a fitness freak or a health-conscious person like me, you are going to love this aqua treadmill. Water Walker and Spa has a striking similarity with a modern bathtub and comes with a moving surface at the bottom for walking or even running. Probably the best part about this aqua treadmill is the ability to let you carry out your workout at your own pace. For instance, you can fine-tune the speed and go about doing your workout. What's more, it also works admirably as a spa bath so that you can relax after a rigorous workout. Free Electronic Sensor Pen. Claiming to be the world's first unrestricted, write virtually anywhere electronic sensor pen, Free is what you need to jot down your thoughts anytime, anywhere, on almost anything. Whether it's sketching, annotating, or simply writing, it excels in most aspects. So, how does it work? Well, it comes with a 3D optical tracking engine that measures its motion accurately and then sends the digital link to the connected Bluetooth device. Sounds interesting, doesn't it? Copy and paste. Ever wished to have a smart scanning and printing tool that helps you go about your business with the desired convenience? If yes, copy and paste can be the right answer to your needs. What I like the most about this scanning and printing tool is the ability to transfer the image and text from one source to the other pretty fast. Not to mention, you can also use it to print directly to your notebook, thereby eliminating the requirement for additional paper. So, no more expensive printer or heavy photocopier machines. Arubix's foldable smartphone cum smartwatch. Even though several smartphone makers including Samsung, Huawei, and Motorola have released foldable smartphones, none of them have been able to produce the types of phones that can appeal to the masses. Forget about perfection. They are so fragile that they start breaking even before the dust could settle on them. Arubix promises to launch an altogether different foldable smartphone that can not just work as a phone but also doubles as a smartwatch. The manufacturer is planning to release the device soon. So, it would be interesting to see whether or not this device lives up to the hype. If you are enjoying the video, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos just like this. Ambassador Headphones Translator. This one is specifically designed for globetrotter or someone who has too often interacted with people coming from different parts of the world. Ambassador is designed to be a top-notch translation tool that excels in translating languages. With a fully customizable setting, the Translator allows you to fine-tune everything in line with your needs. Sporting a pretty comfy over-the-ear design, you can comfortably wear it for long. That's not all. It can also give stiff competition to Apple's true wireless earphones in terms of fast pairing and long battery life. iMicro C, a fingertip microscope for any phone. If you've always wanted to have a makeshift lab of sorts in your house, this is something you should check out. iMicro is a small layer of lenses, smaller than an average fingertip. Like most third-party zoom lenses for smartphones, you can hook iMicro to your smartphone lens and enjoy looking at the micrometer world with more precision. Designed with the comparatively low magnification power, it boasts a much larger field of view, about 5 mm, to help you observe micro objects like electronic parts, tiny insects, and more. Furthermore, iMicro C comes with a long working distance of about 4 mm and features a much larger DOF, depth of field, which makes it a great tool for both enthusiasts and pros. Orcam My Me, AI for Humans. Orcam My Me aims to help you strike a balance between physical and digital social lives. The tiny gadget sits on your collar or pocket with an inbuilt smart camera with facial recognition so you don't forget a coworker or acquaintance's name again. MyMe lets you keep an account of the time you spend socializing, and using the compliant app, you can classify people in groups like work, friends, or family, and set timers for each group. MyMe also captures the time you spend in front of a screen and can help you cut out distractions and unneeded screen time, not only helping you focus better, but also having greater control over your life. NanoOne, world's smallest astronomy camera. NanoOne is the perfect invention for passionate stargazers who not only like to be awestruck by looking at the wonders in the sky, but also want to capture these with their cameras. The inventors of NanoOne bill it as the smallest astronomy camera in the world, which can capture 25 times more light than the human eye and condense an hour-long recording into 3 minutes for a charming view of the sky as well as other phenomena like the northern lights. You can connect NanoOne with your smartphone over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth and view an augmented reality app of constellations too. Xiaomi hand warmer power bank. Ever wanted a convenient hand warmer to keep your hands warm during the winter season? Well, Xiaomi's offering does just that while being a fully functional power bank. With its PTC self-limiting temperature heating technology, it is proven not to harm your hands. You can get up to 2 hours of usage in high temperatures and up to 4 hours at low temperature. The quirky gadget adds extra convenience and manages to be compact to stay in your carry bag. Solar roadways. Solar roadways is exactly what you're thinking after reading the name. These are solar panels that can be used to pave roads, driveways, sidewalks, or any other surface meant for walking. Solar wafers protected under thick layers of shatterproof Gorilla Glass can be used to generate electricity from any surface. These models come in hexagonal panels, which makes replacement super easy. Additionally, solar roadway panels can be programmed electronically to show specific markings on the road. The panels can generate enough heat to melt the snow and thus ensure easy walking or driving over them during winters. All of this while saving the Earth and Earth dwellers from succumbing to the damage caused by greenhouse gases. Inomad Uno, portable water power generator. Hydel power is nature's blessing to humans and still ranks among the top resources of renewable energy. What if you could make personal use of Hydel power for minor power requirements? With Inomad Uno, you can, as it is a portable Hydel power generator with a small propeller that converts the kinetic energy of moving water into microelectricity. On the other side of the propeller are small LED lights and a USB port that can help you charge your smartphone or other electronic devices, especially when you're off the grid. So guys, let me know down in the comments section below which invention you liked the most. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.